That is how you people can.
Na mono se ko ba se bibi nkoye na se enipa bi no so de se won be yo kire na wo de atia de kode no se ya ban na se mpo bibi atesa no Gama mamra na ma ho kwan pefe sasa ni pakuo ne beko o ma Gama posifo aka che akoyi won ma so kire se ne be ya woye che na hyase akopim na wiye no go betumi de akire yi pa na ekuo bi ya ofra ho se democracy hub ania anansane ne ana won mo de ye ya se won baba ye o ya kire de atia ban ne sanse anu abi won mo nkoye kura ye wasa ban no tumi hwe na osiesie na anu ada ye ode o ya kire nhyehyɛ so no anane da to so mienu ya wo ya kire nsa ba so e wo nkramantamu na panyepa ya wode wo ya kire nanim aye lawyer e wo liver baka Vormawor ana wode animu ya wo ma form te won mugo mu ye nkokɔ wi akire na sane bi ya tra pom aposifo de won pugimu a ya ka se wo kire nipa na makomako edubako enipa do ba ko a wo kire wo mo no ntete ya nsa ka kire se wo baba sire wo aya wonya fihye na duasia mienu wono so kan wo bio ya posifo a kire ho na enam so Ghana Police Service adwumako no de atodwa sasa ne na ne yomasi ka ko na no ya ya desanse wo mamu ye nimpa fe sase ko ba so bi ya kire Ghana Police Service bo ho ban so wo ya kire enkonko tietie obi fa ho de so na so wo mo de no de na ne yoma aya trapo ye manipa dubako aposifo a kire wonom.
I do believe both the filing and even the balloting for positions could all be digitized, and it will save us all time and it will save us all the drama, on the proviso that it won't be a black box, but the process will be subject to an audit by a credible independent accounting firm.
Grace ansa akofi wono so akasai nya wo kire mo se wo hwemu pa no a enipa maako du ba ko no a na won mo yo ya kire na se bo ya cheche won mo no afabie no na won mo tietia o ma Ghana ya sumdie ya e wo so e wo ankramantamu pa ebiem na traffic ya hodo bi a na won mama na bankramantamu ane ade na nya senketo ma ntina wo akwa hia sa Ghana Police Service wo mo hwe na mra etumi adwuma Broad Director of Public Affairs de Ghana Police Service ICP Grace Ansako fi wakasa no say and tuja
ensure security, law and order. We therefore urge them to once again consider the 7 locations that police had proposed to them, and that today we would not allow any impediments within the area of the 37 intersection. We will ensure that there will be free flow of traffic and that the commuting public can commute freely and go about their business without any interference. This morning, we once again emphasize that the 7 locations are still available, and if the organizers will consider, police will be more than ready to provide the necessary security for them to undertake their exercise.
How did you say that?
We are all here on the field and we have observed, all of you being witnesses to the fact that the demonstrators once again tried to impede traffic, attempted to park a vehicle to block the intersection. Some of them tried pushing away police barricades and even some of our officers. As a result, the police was compelled, in the interest of law and order, to effect the arrest of the perpetrators. We will continue to keep the peace, and our assurance to the good people of Ghana is that the police are here, and we will fulfill our mandate of maintaining security, law and order without any hindrances whatsoever. I would have to check the numbers, and at the appropriate time we will update you accordingly.
There's an early.
I was your wife.
Abba. Abba. So far, the need put Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ahead. But we should have super. We will be on 50% plus 1. Yeah, just a straight but we share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the progression. Maybe I will free Bernard Mahama Elidino and over big son of Nodia. Not likely say to be not a crabia within a man's time now. A bit for Besaya, I won't be surprised. Abia with me I live for good straight away. What is it?
Yes. But you see, the MPP's main problem that Dr. Domfe Kabako, Ashanti, and almost strongholds. It's a net Matisem said for me finally. For me chairman, Napo Etiman Shama, Asumjaba, Uofa, Kwazinti, or the Kinakoma chairman. Asumjaba. If the party, yes, Winnipa, if the party is able to unite, no numbers, no Ashanti, Eastina, if you say, and you may fine. Apart from that, we share polls and Gordon, meaning say, no one, Gordon, air candidate, say, NDC be winning 11 regions, NDP as of far a dip in Ashanti, SBM intelligence project. You see, me, if you say it's of dubious nature, she findings no. Almost say NDC be winning swing regions. Now swing regions almost classify Western as a swing region. That's a lie.
It's not a swing region
because Western used to be a swing when any Western of Ebum. What I say, almost muno MPP are take. We share all the constituencies that were Western. MPP so far vote 2020 because of largely Galamsey. What I say. So if they're able to stop NDC lies on bar or Mubema Galamsey for Juma, no more explaining man for Jim Galamsey a year. Western region is coming back to MPP. And Oma also just said Western North MPP are taking an increase and an increase. What I say. Central because a swinger metiase it's a even brown half crowd no NDC
in fact we in results now we was 11 regions yesterday the NDC is winning in 11 regions. They will win all the 9 they won in 2020 yeah addition to Central and Bono sana yesterday no
Bono East
and Blue regional and Kayasa MPP stronghold. Say, you were Wenchi, who a Sunyani, who were Brekun, Domahin crew, we Krakassia, a Trabama MPP traditional. And Bunu and somebody, and yes, Okani Yipa, the Bunu F4 for NDC and Central region as well. But Central region, and they is a seat in India. NPP sitting because of the presidential but me and some say and me can say but
MPP
yeah na me can say so then bono
MPP no half east ma NDC
no I have the
half MPP okay the half
no half the MPP are winning the hands no 5 seats they were getting 5 seats
and the bono ma MPP
yes
in fact MPP omnimaya Ashanti Eastern Bono ahafu na northeast
is that the part of the
western no
and general manager Maye we are closing at 10:15 forget about number of regions Ghana MPP bet me use 2 regions and we need general elections in the end and number of regions have been winning no it doesn't really see anything and I think I love this shot say the almost actually was go for 1 paper me the sweater me pay me trust sweat how do the modu oh aha but enie enti sanko for no except from SBM oh ene ye we NDC na a commission sa de bi enie Greater Accra almost NDC benya saying percentage almost NDC benya 51.85% and
onomu yi other parties no free man
omu ya for omu edupe
okay aha and no bibi aso say enya 100% nki ihu omu onko wanto ama
aha enti omu ya omu no de pe enti eno no enti omu say
o ha say table wo report no mo me I didn't Peter say enya papa nti
I report no omu report am yi bai
enya bad sir
enti hwe wo da e bi ko pa be ya cha mum yanko ayi no final figures na wo
Ashanti region 70 no oh mahana yes we dey name system tara na enya
what I say enti omu no according to NDC no
okay later so na mo there
ya na edi obia parties ni nyina ye I know only two
but I think the moment they are more scientific no but say kra na
a lot here we no
is it 30
bebesa
oh yeah we so yeah the end say we yeah more party din yeah more kwan the only no continue no ni papa na choose no party
okay
so omo ba ibe bebesa ba ibe ba nya do
nti me hu so political parties ne ba
okay it we there
about research the party adjoint to Mrs. within 24 hours
it be
the same day one day so
for we learn mu kra
no asana
okay enti wo hwa de wa say mu na
no but let me make something clear also when na commission way
NDC for
we sure
yes NDC for enti you defend SB when on my media Ashanti region
na say omu kra so no mu Musa Dan Kwasa no
what did
on say 53 against the
it's you know
now data ka 73%
omo ya research ni na
on the about 50
John Mahama enya 49.13% ena Dr. Mamuba enya 49.25%, which means Bamia is ahead of Mahama and I'm a so 49.25 especially 49.13. Okay, but I think Sahani is very significant. Ashanti region then especially say Ashanti region enya 70.5 for MPP and NDC 27, but then that's 70 now 70.5 plus 27 you know 100% too.
2% may
they don't include it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's no. But then but then the question to dog and he said MPP timi enya okabamhwe Ashanti any Eastern say MPP timi enya Ashanti 70%. Eastern then low form.
Eastern normally 50 Eastern MPP gets
no say
60.
It is MPP timi across 60%.
And Ashanti so
no across 70% was Ashanti regional a done deal.
Yes.
But now here Ashanti is 70.5. Eastern 15.5 according to data way which means there's more work to be done. Ashanti in Eastern region. Emotional moka ehun asem. See bit rapon. And I
final. NDC for now calling for voters register. Cleaning.
Yeah.
My last point. When Dr. Dufone AS Oba contested Omu meeting. Na meeting national. Omu issue minutes. Any statement be about Omu register no mu kwakoto omaba. O the next week.
Next week.